let me come over here and start with the deck first. All right, here we got, oh, snow, snow, and more snow. What are you showing me, Mom? What's going on over here? Mom? No, you said tracks. No, you said tracks in the snow.
Oh.
What's going on?
Okay. Oh, you're Chinese. What are those?
That's a good question. Look at them going all over out there.
Deer?
No, that's not deer. That's not very big, whatever it is. It barely breaks through the snow. Oh, all right. Whew. How long has it been out here? Oh, close to an hour worth of shoveling. And we've gotten, it looks like very little, but we've done a lot. Clearing out in front of the entire garage door, so when it melts, it doesn't run in. And we're down one snow shovel. We had 2 snow shovels, now we're down to 1 because it got cold and broke. So, as a gentleman next door was using the Bobcat to blade their driveway, we're enlisting a little bit of help. Because there's one of me, 1 snow shovel, and that's a lot of driveway. So, use what we got. All right, we're all done. We're all done for today. Let's get around so we can do that. There we go. All right, we're all done for today. Mom took down her little greenhouse down here. We cleaned off all the snow from the deck, or under the deck. We did get the snow off of the deck upstairs too. Turn around, do a little walkabout here on what we've done today. So here's the door. Porch is all cleaned off. I would like to say I did it all myself today, but nope, didn't do it. Luckily, one of the neighbors, there was a guy with a bobcat over at their house, and he came here and did the major snow lifting and heavy removal there for us, all the way from the mailbox all the way down to here. We just had to get around the garages, finish it all up, but got a lot done. There's Mom's greenhouse. I need to go put that in the garage. Oh, look at that. Gonna hit the hot tub in a little while, warm up. Oh, 102. Look at that. Looks good.